Hey there, YouTube. This is what we have to do. We have to remove our AC. And you can see outside. That's my Uncle Richard that I told you about in his minivan. Now we got some light in here. Yippee!
No, we won't have this light here because there's a piece of wood over it.
Yeah, or that.
It was the dumbest place to put an AC over the sink.
Well, it was hard to get. I had to help my dad place on the floor.
You stay right there, Jacob. Stay right there. Don't want passengers or anybody get near us.
This is what we had to do. That's the old sink. This was corroded. Where the handle is gone. That's where the spray used to be. And that's the new sink we're putting it in. Hey, Uncle Richard.
Hey. Yeah, that's cool. That's kind of weird. Those are nice.
Yeah, we
That's
just
$200 right there. Yeah, they're nice.
200 more lives, people.
Oh yeah.
And now we're gonna put it in.
We don't need an AC over that. I want one this way, not.
Yeah. That's stupid where they put that. That's what I always thought, didn't it?
We could always put it in that wall, but the wall is too hot. No.
I told you that I played this game.
You had to pour it from the outside.
It's actually fun to play.
Well, I helped my dad remove this. I do not know nothing about that.
Yeah. Is that thing heavy?
Oh, it is. Well, somewhat.
That piece right there is the heaviest piece in it right there. The compressor. Right, Wesley?
Can we just scrap this? Well, I mean, it can still be used.
That's a 220, isn't it? Yeah. You'd have to move your plug in and all that over there if you did that.
Yeah, the plug-in is the special type.
That's the way mine is, my darn. What it is, their dang meters don't shut all the way off outside. If you look down in your meter, they cleaned it out. Yeah. Didn't it? Yeah. Mine was full of dirt, remember? Yeah. I had to beat them fuckers out. Yeah, the US one. Oh, yeah. Yeah, nice faucet. That's kind of like it.
Hey, is there a way we can cover that hole?
Jacob, we're going. What did I just say?
I know.
We're gonna take all that out and put a new piece of wood up there.
Later on, you're going to switch this thing in there. Put one with 2 sinks instead of the one. That's an antique.
It belongs to the restaurant, not a.
Yeah, that's what I thought too. Why the hell would they put something like that in here?
This used to belong to a restaurant.
Yep.
Whoever put this in here before we moved in, complete idiot.
Yep.
So I got a piece of fur on the lens. As you can hear, the water's not off all the way. Yeah, yes. Yeah, yesterday, for the past few days, Dad couldn't help get this installed because he was with Kelly half the day. Today, he has a free day on the weekend.
Yep.
Also, we were supposed to go camping. Sorry about that. We gonna go to a camping ground outside town, just next county over. That's a good camping spot. What you looking at, peaches? Peaches. You wanna look at the camera? Come on. She's sniffing at the camera.
fell yesterday. So, fell right on my soybean shoulder.
Fucking leak in there.
What's leaking?
Fucking leaks everywhere.
Not everything is perfect, people. Nope.
Yeah, he's got big and bow on his back.
Yeah.
No, he's got a big bow.
Oh, yeah. Hey.
By the way, I'm sitting on the chair.
And this game right here, I made over 450K within a year.
Dang. Yeah, you don't want to hot on the cold on the hot. You don't want to hook up to the toilet either.
He asked me last shut off on here. I said, hell no, I ain't no damn shut off.
Who said that? Paul?
We had to put something on there. I didn't buy the damn dryer.
He ought to know what's under there. You're the one that put it together.
Yeah.
Hey, you know what? Yeah, we can take it up the backside. Oh, what? Just take out that screw, those screws right there. It'll come out. Shit.
Where the hell is that dryer? Nope.
That's a neat looking refrigerator.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
no good.
It don't work?
Nope.
What's wrong with it? Is that one that you had over there?
No, the one I got from Dumbass. He said, oh, it was. I plugged it in, the thing started smoking.
Oh, shit.
I thought, no, I just left it there and said, fuck it. Yeah.
Yeah, we got screwed on this little thing. It's not smoking. Yeah, we had it cleaned up. I use it and then it's not smoking.
Oh, I see what you mean by that stove will put back in there.
That's what I'm saying. They should
God
have just
damn
left
it.
it alone, but the thing is, we don't have a long enough
Bitch.
Deal for it, huh?
I just fucked up.
What'd you do?
I put the coals on the hot side.
Oh, yeah.
Well,
That
so
would be good.
especially, yeah.
You got aspirated or something?
Yeah, the table thing, the built-in one. Yeah. Okay, YouTube, might be a let you see the whole thing. I'll see you guys right here on top of that.
That's kind of cool. Mom's got that, huh? I think that's Paul Swan's got that. Built-in sprayer is what it is. Yeah, let me, hey, you ain't tighten this down yet, have you? I don't expect it.
Sorry to YouTube, I had to get a drink from my bedroom. Got thirsty.
Grab this. Right? Now, grab this like this. Dig it standing over there.
Oh, hell no! If I knew he was gonna buy that to spray me. Ooh, I got an idea. If they'll be mean to me, my parents, I got a surprise for them in April. You know what I mean. I could go.
They hooked the hot water to the toilet. Beaver goes, what are they doing? Trying to burn my birds?
But I got another April Fool's prank I could do. I got. Well, let you all watch the rest of the thing.
You want to see my peg? You want to see my mouth?
Oh, wow, that's pretty cool.
And I've got pig.
Oh, yeah.
I got cat.
Oh, did you know that some restaurants use this type?
Yeah. Yep.
That's why.
When they were half price,
Oh, yeah.
but you know me, $25, and I got them for $12.50.
You throw in?
You knock down the floor. It's,
Kitty on the porch let her bit it.
huh?
Kitty on the porch
He
let
got
her bit it.
tickled.
Oh, yeah?
He goes, I'll tell you how to kill somebody.
Yeah. Guess who's over my house? Guess who? Yeah, you come over there. You know why? That's a false cat.
You mean skunk? You mean spook?
Skunk Junior.
Oh!
Yeah, he's clear over there. He's chasing old false cat around. She's in heat.
Oh! Houdini. Yeah. The camera's shy. It's okay. Come on. Yeah. Oh, there's a little frog that attacked my mom's tissue box again.
Oh, what?
Spice.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you got fun underneath the bus. They know what you look like now. You ain't safe now. I am evil when I want to be. Not really the evil thing, just being a cheeky butthole.
It's about the fifth time I've been over here just
Also, she scratches the floor every time she drinks water from the bowl, like a wet roll. You heard my mommy, right? I call her mommy, just to annoy her.
Put that in there, I wonder. I don't know. Whoever did. I'm stupid. Yep. Then we'll put your piece of plywood up there. Put you some. Put silicone around it. Put your piece of plywood up there. You put silicone around it, or you just screw it in there. I'm just gonna screw it in there. You got a Phillips screwdriver, and I'll take the screws out right here.
Okay, people, he's gonna turn the water back on.
Alright.
I know what you're thinking, Witcher. You guys spray me with that?
Not doing anything yet.
I know you want to spray me with that.
Nah, not now. Nope. Your mom can though if she wants to. Linda, you want spray?
Oh, hell no! No.
Why not?
If you do it to me, I could get you back another day. You don't know when I'll strike. Also, if the cats are, if my dog is trying to do a naughty thing, like go or I just spray him with that. Can they see? No, can you turn it on? Is it?
Nope.
Can you turn it on real quick?
It works.
Now we got a new. Hey, no! I'm out! That is not funny, dude! That's what we use to turn it off and on.
It works.
No! No! No!
Oh, wow.
Works good. Or you can move around and go.
Oh, hell no! You ain't gonna get me, sucker!
Yeah, we had one that was over there because we were waiting that computer screwed up. And I went like this and I said, when winter time came, you need to get that AC out the window.
Yeah.
I did. Ask him what I bought for him.
Oh, yeah.
I bought him a whole new set of tools.
I'm gonna use my set.
You gonna use your
Hold up. Move.
Sorry.
Because I told Wesley if I had known this up here was that bad, and it was bad.
Yeah.
This is my birthday present.
That's his new tools for his birthday. His birthday's on the 27th of March. He's gonna be 60.
JJ,
One.
you hand me a syrup, please.
You got a paddler in here?
I mean, you want a cig of weed?
Paddler in here? You ever gonna do that?
Yes, I used the term from Rush Hour.
You gonna help me?
Like to tease her.
Nope.
I'll hold it if you spank him.
Oh, heck no.
What did you say?
Not you.
Well, just spank your dad. For his birthday.
Ain't gonna meet me. I'm staying out of that one.
And one sweet pinch on a 61.
Think I can hold you down? Huh? Think I can hold you down so you spank?
I know I can't. He's stronger